Hi, so Dan here from Thomas Roder Support. I'm just going to take you through using the Google Fonts area of the theme options in our new theme Foundry for WordPress. Okay, so we're going to need to head to the theme options. So in the admin area, we just go to Appearance and Customize. And within here, you'll see a Google Fonts area just under Styling. This is a local version of WordPress, so please bear with me if it's a little slow. Okay, so under styling settings, we want to choose fonts. What we can see here, we've got the pre-selected fonts all set up there. We're just going to go through how to replace these with your own. Where does this URL come from and whatnot. So to begin with, take a look at Google, and we shall look for some lovely fonts. Okay, I'm just going to jump straight into Roboto. Okay, so when you're browsing Google Fonts, this may look familiar to you. If not, it's fairly straightforward. Once you've selected the font you want, you then need to add a few certain weights. I'd suggest keeping an eye over this tab over here, which this little dial, obviously it gives you an idea of how much load you're adding to it, so we won't go crazy. We'll just add the ones we need, maybe up to 900 as well, so it's kept it nice and low. It's not going to add much weight to the theme, and now we can get the URL. So just below here, you'll see where you can grab the URL from this area if it's easier. I find it's easier to click on the import tab here, so you get a shorter version. We simply want to copy this URL here, so not the whole thing, just this URL, and we're going to pop that into the theme options, and maybe I'll use that as the heading. We're going to want to change this to reflect the new font. Okay. I'm just going to refresh our page. You can see there we've got the nice new font in use. Just show you there in the source, you can see it's all being nicely applied. Maybe a slightly more extravagant example. I'll do one more. We'll go for something which is going to be very obvious to see. There we go. You'd have to be crazy to use this as your body font, but in this example I'm just going to show you. Okay, we'll remove Roboto, we don't need that anymore. I'm going to head down here. Just like before, we want to grab the URL portion, not the entire thing. We shall replace this here. And also just get the name as well in there. This does need to be correct just to for everything to work as you'd expect, and there you go. Straight away you can see the font has changed everywhere it needs to. Very, very, very straightforward. The effect, as you can tell, is very, very nice indeed. Any problems along the way, obviously just come and see us over at support. Other than that, I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.